Hi, my name is Xander. Welcome to Xander's Creations. Welcome to Xander's Creations print station. Today we're gonna print Pokemon Charizard on the K1 Max. Just have to. Okay. I'll see you all when it's done. 2 hours. We'll have to do it tomorrow morning. And this is the label printer. Right here we got some Xander's Creation logo stickers. In case if anyone wants to put a sticker. Welcome to Xander's Creations, Galactic 3D Printing. We just finished the Charizard. It just took 2.5 hours. Let's open it. It cooled off. Oh yeah, it's pressing it. Oh yeah. Let's go inside, take off the supports. Let's now take off the supports. I hope Lana will like it. Oh, but now we have to do edge thing. Oh, now we're doing this one. Ooh, that one came down nice. It didn't. Okay, now pull. Oh, wow. Lana, I hope you like. I like your Charizard. Don't forget to subscribe and like the comments below. Hi, my name is Xander. Welcome to Xander's Creation Art Studio. What do you think is what is this? Oh, this is the whole universe. It's from level 1 to level 3. The whole universe. Level 1 would be the solar system. Between would be the stars. Okay. And our galaxy. And we move on to clusters. Galaxies. And then after that, we're gonna have a sneak peek of our next episode. So this one right here was the first painting, because it's the first thing that we ever saw. It's the solar system, level 1. Next painting would be level 2. The stars in our galaxy. And then level 3, last one, the cluster and the universe. That's the best thing ever. Does it look beautiful? Right. Yeah. I paint those in my backyard with my mom. With my dogs trying to sneak in. So level 1 doesn't have any. We have a quick talk about this thing. So level 1, it doesn't have any black like the stars and stuff. This is all from my own hand. Level 2 would be the stars in our galaxy. This one is very important because that is where we're gonna live when the sun explodes. I'm gonna save the Earth. After all, I'm just gonna get Earth out of its solar system, bring it to its system, and then we're gonna create the system. It's not really here yet. Level 3 is the last one. All the beautiful clusters of galaxies and all the nebulas and stuff. But you see that galaxy right over here. That's our Milky Way. This is just a cluster of whole galaxies. All those small things are out of the cluster or inside of our cluster. We live in the cluster of galaxies too. 1,000,000. Level 2 would be the stars in our galaxy. This one is very important because that is where we're gonna live when the sun explodes. I'm gonna save the Earth. After all, I'm just gonna get Earth out of its solar system, bring it to its system, and then we're gonna create the system. It's not really here yet. So, this was this episode. Next episode will be Moana 2. Disney like, oh. Hey, you get in there. Trying to have a little peek. Stay tuned to Xana's Creations. Don't forget the link below and subscribe. Thank you, Lana, for telling me to make this. That was really a great idea.
Oh, why, thank you, Xander. She's going to love it. Thank you so much. Can I have a hug? I love you. Thank you.
I hope you like it, Lana. Bye.